ways to go. That's the first thing he said. Anyway, he's doing better though. He's doing great with the recall muscle. And I don't even know how you walked this dog before. He was unwalkable. He's doing great with the training. We're obviously going to have to continue to use this collar on him. We'll get yours modified so it's got the smoother contact points, but you've got to put it on tight because you do have to use the nick with him. In a way, I think it's good that in the beginning he was charging and going after the horse, that I did put a bunch of pressure on him because that sort of set the foundation. So anyway, we've got to get this dog muscle where it will walk beside you, not circle you. And we don't even know how you're still alive after trying to walk him on that harness and that flexionation. We already donated that to the rescue, so please don't ask for it back. That's the kind of thing that you use to restrain a dog, and that's what you don't want to do with him. So, got the leash with the electronic collar. I didn't do that. Heel. So well to this collar. It's got a lot of knee jerk